Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the National Center for Learning Disabilities. They're looking for a communications associate. It pays $55,000 to $65,000 per year. The communication associate at NCLD will help strengthen the organization's brand presence through informative and engaging messaging, strategy, and tactics, from overseeing the development of collateral to developing internal and external communications and marketing strategies. The communication associates will work alongside the director of communications to change the narrative surrounding learning disabilities and attention issues to transform mindsets, practices, and policies. This job is full-time. It pays $55,000 to $65,000 per year. Some of the benefits include dental, health, and vision insurance, paid time off, and retirement plan. The schedule is 8-hour shifts, Monday through Friday. And education, they will prefer a bachelor's degree, but it's preferred, not required. Experience, communication skills, at least 3 years is preferred. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if it's not for you, it's okay. Just subscribe to this channel because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day. And if you hit the notification bell, you're going to be one of the first to get notified as soon as we post it so you can find the one that fits you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.